Don't be in a rush to try to find a man. Just keep getting closer with God and trusting in His plans. Don't fall for the hype on the gram, they follow trends. Making toxicity look cute, that ain't romance. You gotta be better than if the man upstairs know your name, I advise you know your worth. Get you a man.
Hey guys, welcome to a new video. You guys, we are back with a Temu package. 2 packages, guys. We're gonna make it a very short video, guys. Let's find out what is in these packages together. Okay, let's get right into it. The first package, let's see what is inside the first package. We'll find out together. This is the first. Guys, this is a cardigan. I'm so excited, guys. Ooh, I wanted this. Ooh, the material, guys. The material, guys. Look at this. Guys. Ooh.
Don't be in a rush to try to find a man. Just keep getting closer with God and trusting in His plans. Don't fall for the hype on the gram, they follow trends. Making toxicity look cute, that ain't romance. You gotta be better than if the man upstairs.
Which one is this one, guys? Which one is this one now? Which one is this one? Which one? Ooh, it doesn't have pockets, okay? Anyways.
I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am. I seen another day, seen another breath, and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I know to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I relax on the hope of a good time. Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not be hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am. And every day, always on my head high, my chest high, but that don't mean I don't cry. Feeling like la. My enemies, I'ma say bye. Energy feeling like I can't fly. I know He loves me, that's why. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I relax on the hope of a good time. It's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am.
Okay, last but not least, guys, I bought these cute, gorgeous, sexy pajamas, guys. The material is insane, out of this world, I guess, son. Yo, this is so pretty, guys. This is so pretty. The only thing, Jake Sana, cut corner, it's a small cut. And I always buy the Asian clothes, Sana. Yo, so nice. It's 100% cotton. Like, if you can just feel. Yo, guys, I'm happy. I am super happy. I'm a happy customer. Okay, guys, I'm so happy. Look at this. Let me show you this duke as well, or headpiece as well. Look, this is the headpiece, and then at the back it has this elastic Sana, which makes it so elegant. Yo, I sent Sana John. This is so cute. This is so cute, right? Intle Sana. Intle.
I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed,
I also bought this head wrap. It's so big, guys. This is so huge, guys. For kwenza about do conflict, and the material, guys, iyavuma sana. It's so nice. So nje umuntu uzoshaya about do conflict. Phela now we are approaching winter. So during winter time we need, I'm just trying to show you how big it is. This is so big. This is so big. It's gonna give the allowance to do whatever style that one wants to do. And also the material is so smooth, soft, and stretchy. It's very nice material, guys. And then I also bought this. These are nail arts or nail decors. Yeah, those ones. So since I'm doing nails at home, so I'm also doing that. I'm decorating them myself. And then this is a temporal tattoo. I want to put it somewhere here or on my bum or whatever it is the case, but I will see the occasion and then I will stick it on. And then I also bought this one. Which one is this one now? Which one is this one? Let's quickly check this one. Which one is this? Okay, I think it's a lipstick 2-in-1. Yeah, it's 2-in-1 lipstick. And I think it's a very cute lipstick. Now I have an idea of which one is this one. Okay, this is the lipstick, guys. It has this side, and also this side is a gloss. Yeah, this side is a gloss. So you literally just put this here like this, and then guys, I'm so clumsy and messy. Okay, and then you then pay it up with this one. I think, guys, I was supposed to start with this one because this one is dry, and then this one be the last time. But either way, guys, you have an idea, a vision. I'll show you when I'm doing OOTDs, but this is how it's supposed to look, at least similar to this. Yeah, this is so beautiful. Let me check if there is nothing left. Then I bought 4 pairs of vests, guys. The black one, the white one, and also the brown one, and the one that I'm wearing currently, the gray one. This is the vest. This is how it looks. Nancy vesty. This is how it looks. Very demure, very mindful, very cutie. Guys, thank you for watching this video. If you watch up until this far, it means the video was very helpful, and also please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you on the next one. With God's love never fails. Bye.